Hello, welcome back to part 2, and I haven't been gone very long. Actually, you probably haven't been gone very long either. And I am just filling up this black space. I originally was contemplating putting blooms in here, and I'm not over it yet, but the leaves are so pretty it makes it hard to want to do anything else. And I could very easily just continue on adding them. My last leaf was right there, and I put some gold in there, and it's time to use the gold because I like the way it comes out really, really nicely. And I'm trying not to lean over the stuff I've already done and drag the blow dryer through it, but who knows. Let's start differently every time. I'm going to work away from myself. That's the Chrysocolla from it's a prism pour from Color Art. It does not seem to matter what I do so long as I start with the blow dryer straight down in position. I want some gold. I said I wanted some gold, and I do. And maybe a little mysterious as well. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's the Amsterdam white with some pre-stained wood conditioner added to it. The recipe is underneath the video. I'm not sure that's enough. Just not sure yet. So I'm going to give it a little bit more. I think they keep getting prettier every time. Could just be leaves on the breeze this time. I don't know that I'm going to need to have any branches. I gotta put up with splatters somehow. Alright, so I'm thinking that I love my purple, and that's what I want to start with. Just put all my purples in there. And maybe some blue too. And then put some green on top of it and see what happens. Yep. I mentioned that both of those are Amsterdam. Got my finger on the cold button. Yes, that's beautiful. I'm happy with that. I should do feathers this way somehow. Maybe they are feathers. Maybe I should put lines through them at some point in time. Not this painting though. I'm good with this one. Let's try. I'm mostly dark green. I'm going to find myself a dark green. I'm going to take this thing off. It's threatening to drag through. I'm going to throw a little turquoise in. I haven't put any in. Am I? Maybe I'm not. I guess I'm not. At least not for the second. Yes. A little turquoise won't hurt me. Pretty sure. Along with some more of the Chrysocolla. I like using the white with the neon purple from Folk Art because it won't show up brightly unless I do. I am moving up out of the range. I wish I thought there was a particular shape that I could lay down, but they all seem to blow out pretty much the same for me. Anything else? I could have a good time just painting with puddles. love how many opportunities there are to change up your color palette. That was really pretty. I love it when the gold cells break through. So I'm thinking over here, and maybe over there. And then we'll see if I want to throw a couple little ones in. And I'm going to use some turquoise that has iridescent pearl fine in it. I'd like to do a bunch of little leaves in the background. I mean, just like a whirlwind of leaves. I hope you can see that. Oh dear, I really need to check that, darn. Well, hopefully. I forgot the gold too. I was distracted by thinking you guys couldn't see anything. Let's see what you can see. Step up on my ladder for a second. I want to put some more gold in there. Yeah, you can see. Cool. Not well, but you can see. That's as far away as I can get from this. So this one I think wants to be rather large. That is again Folk Art Neon Multi-Surface Acrylic. Turquoise. Turquoise was with iridescent in it. I want to use something darker again. Let's put some Venetian blue in there. Let's not forget the gold. And I don't think it'll be the same unless if I forgot the green gold. Did I put, I'm not sure. I see white, so I'm pretty sure I put white in. That is more. So if I drag it out on one end, what's going to happen? There's a huge lump of something in there. No idea where it came from. But I like that I dragged out the tip before I started. So that's kind of cool. Now I'm going to blow it out again. Off, because the colors just keep getting better and better. I don't know if you really need the line up the center, but I kind of like it. It looks like that one's backwards anyway. So I must be very close to being done, and I think it would be foolish of me to put blooms in here because these are really pretty, and I just have to decide if there are going to be some small ones and what they're going to be comprised of. And it occurs to me that if I put a little bit of white wherever I'm thinking about putting them, can I get away with that? I can. I hope. I don't think it would matter if these were all the same, but I don't think they will be no matter what I do, so I guess we'll find out together. I'll just do all the same colors. I have a really nice dark green, but I keep picking up the Mysterious instead. Yeah, I know, I forgot one on purpose. I'm going to find that green. It's an Arteza phthalo green, and then I added iridescent pearl fine to it. I'm going to put some gold in there. I want to remember to put some gold in. Am I going to need another one? I might. Okay, what did I do with the gold? I put it away. Never tried to set up 4 puddles at once before. Okay, I guess here goes nothing. I want a dot of white in something. Or maybe even more than something. Go for the furthest one away. Question is, do I want to think about my directions now? I had a moment. Beautiful. I'm thinking I might want another one, but I also don't want to get rid of too much more of my negative space. Fake it out. I want something right there. So far, I'm working that fairly well. I think I'm just about done, which means I should tell you guys what I usually tell you, which is if you shop my Amazon link, it's know what it costs you and it helps me out. If you want to support the production of videos at the studio, contributing through PayPal or Patreon is a really great way to help. More so is to purchase an artwork. You can find my email address below the link tree underneath the video. I think that that's done. Maybe I want to turn it and have a look. I think I want one more leaf right there. They might be a little more evenly distributed than I want at that point, but I still want it. One more. Didn't put any silver. I keep moving the gold away. It's not a good thing. Let's use some of that Arteza and a dot of the dioxazine purple. And definitely more of that blue. Well, I guess we just found out what happens when I forget to put the cell activator in there. Fortunately, the dioxazine purple still acts as a cell activator, which is convenient at this point because I forgot. I could probably go back in and add it too if I wanted to. Yeah, that's got better balance for me. I think I'm all done. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Know that I have 2,000 videos organized by the 100 on 19 lists of 100, and the last one's being populated. And also by topic and genre. Please give me a thumbs up. Share my videos when you can. Watch them longer. It helps me, my YouTube channel standing. If you watch the commercials, it helps too. If you're looking for more videos, you know to go to created playlists and all playlists to look for them. My email address, I told you, is under the link tree that's under Show More under the video. And under Show More also you'll find the my paint pouring recipe. Tomorrow's video will often show up on the community board on my YouTube channel and also on the Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook. Good place for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Totes and more for shopping, pixels.com and Fine Art America. On my link tree, you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Pinterest, I post videos too and merchandise from pixels.com and Fine Art America. Teespring Clothing underneath the video has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and lots and lots of other cool stuff. But if you can't find what you're looking for, let me know and I will include it there if I can. My Twitter link has tomorrow's video often. I was missing something. I forgot something. My Amazon link has my 2 books, Because I Can, Unlimited Possibilities. They're volumes 1 and 2. The monthly drawing is, you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing on the end screen video, which is an exhibition video that changes every month. And if you contribute through PayPal or Patreon, you'll be automatically entered. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. And thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I love you guys. I hope you take care of each other, take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm sure I forgot something. Oh, if you have questions, please feel free to ask. I will get back to you. And if you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, use the hashtag and the file number in the title of the video, or let me know through an exhibition video what time you saw it and which exhibition video you saw it in. My paint pouring recipe, I think I told you, was underneath the description. And that's also got the description for the recipe for the cell activator made with Amsterdam black and white. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Probably said that twice. Bye for now. Priscilla out.